Ahoy, ahoy, welcome back. It is Gavin's Grotty Guitars, and it's this interesting instrument. Now, if I covered that up, you'd say, oh, it's one of them again, is it? Well, yes. It is a 1970s, probably quite early, Zenta. What's a Zenta? Well, this is. But we've come across these before. This is the make of guitar, made in Japan, shipped out across the UK and US, and then given a variety of different names by whoever bought it. So, the most popular ones of these were Hondo 2s, all sorts of other names. Here's some more down here. But most importantly, it's a 1972 Mustang style guitar. Now, this is a real Fender Mustang, and you can see it's pretty close. We've even got nice racing stripes. But there's a few things that are slightly different, so let's go through them from the top down. One piece, 6-part tuners, plastic tuning pegs, open-backed tuners as well, by the way. But the bushes for the tuning pegs are plastic. The neck is bound. Interesting. It's a 2-part neck. One piece of wood here, all the way up, and then another piece on the end here for our funny Fender-esque bit. Rosewood fretboard, bolt-on neck. Access for the neck down there, which is quite cool. The pickups don't have any poles, they're covered pickup rings. Pickup covers, sorry, the covered pickup covers. On and off for each of the pickups. We have got a very odd Mustang style tremolo. It's not a very big tremolo, you're not going to do whammy bar dives or anything with it. It's a bit more Bigsby type, but it's very subtle, I like it. And our bridge, I really hope I remember to do a close-up of it, has got rollers on it. But unlike normal rollers that you see, these are all separate, but they have 3 different channels in each one, so you can move the string across. But they're the right size for the string. So for the toppy it's very thin, and the lowy is very wide, so they're not going to jump out. I don't even think Fender does that yet. It's marvellous. 1 tone, 1 volume, 1 output. Obviously there is a bit of the tremolo missing here, which I presume is a sort of ashtray style cover. But more importantly, what does it sound like? All tuned up, so. So this is the neck. So what you can hear is it's got you know, a Strat-like echo to it, but it's really quite nice. The tone between both pickups is very well matched as well, which is unusual and quite delightful. It's very light, got small frets on there, 4-ply pick guard, which is extraordinary for something so cheap, or affordable shall we say at the time. I think it's quite a delight. I wish young guitarists could buy something as individual and as fun as this is nowadays. I really do. Instead of just Strats or Telecasters. It's an interesting shape. It's a thin, light body. It's got some interesting sounds that can come out of it. It's got a tremolo that's not going to go out of tune immediately. Yeah. This is a beautiful, fun guitar. I love it. Yeah, I think this one I'll keep. Anyway, till next time, hopefully, take care of yourselves. Subscribe there. Do your other thing there. There's more videos there. And, yeah, take care. Here come the cats. Toodle pip.